Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka shipau terek mentau naitung arajar kat kendai. Myntri Rangbah kejela ukonrat ki sangma. Ulalet Plie ba ya ki Kamra badang dep pen Thymmai Jong ke Nongstoiñ College. Haka jelang ke balalong ha Plau Jong ke College ha West Castles District. Haka ni ke jelang lai dan lang ru UMLA ke Nongstoiñ Constituency uba Macmillan Bersat. Kum sembot kongsan nang ta Deputy Commissioner kani ke district uba ti lingwa ubalong ru ha keju kapor u President Jong ke Governing Body Jong ke College. Kiwai de ki balai dan lang hakani ke snikrau jong ke college ki kenthom ya USP kani ke district uba BJ lalu ka principal jong ke college ka kong ai mautho u principal barem jong ke college uba BK light plang ki reurang ba jong ka than bat kiwai de ki balasha khot soba ya kani ke yeng paki ke Thymmai jong ke college la tai lengba ka jingbai tingka na ka Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan Lengba katnat Human Resource Development jong sarkar pleng bat kumjo na ka Department of Northeastern Region ha ka jinglot ka bakot South Point San Klor tingka bat yakini ki Kamra Thymmai jong ka college on panon kam kum ki Kamra shong class ka hostel jong ki senrang ka library bat ki wede ki jingdon kam jong ka college.
I'm very happy to see the kind of growth that Nongstoiñ College has seen through the years. Started off with a small initiative by the Nongstoiñ by just having small schools, small classrooms, and I'm sure it must be giving so much of satisfaction to each and every citizen of Nongstoiñ to see how this college has grown, literally drop by drop, brick by brick. And today this is a big institution with 1,700 students out here. And the kind of passion that is being put in by the teaching staff out here, in spite of all the difficulties that you face, is something really commendable. I see the passion in the principal, I see the passion in the teaching staff, I see the passion in each and every one of you. And no matter how much government helps or doesn't help, no matter how much others help you or don't help you, I think it starts with everyone out here on how you contribute or how you take advantage of what's happening out here. But then as I said, we need to see the kind of resources that are there and be very practical in the way we move forward. It's no use coming in and announcing all the good things and ultimately not being able to give it. We as a government have always believed that our actions should speak more than our words. So therefore, keeping that spirit in mind, I can tell you very confidently that we will be taking up more posts. But as I said, the exact details of those will only come out after a few weeks maybe, because we are still working on the structure and the pattern in which we need to give it. As I said, Nongstoiñ College is not the only one that requires more additional staff. Many other colleges require. So we need to find out, look at the resources we have and ensure that we distribute it in a manner that is practical and making impact in these colleges. So therefore, we will be looking into that aspect and I will be in touch with the principal and the local MLA in regards to those issues. Friends, education is a very important aspect of our government and we have shown this from day one. Our government, in fact, as soon as we took over, the first thing that we decided was that we need to have a proper policy for education, which was missing for many years. Processes were started, different meetings were held, different documents were made, but finalization and decision to ultimately come out with a policy never happened in the past. And therefore we felt very strongly that if there is no policy, if there is no direction, how do we know where we're moving forward? In the past 46 years, I can tell you, education department has suffered. And the reason it has suffered is because there has been no clarity on what kind of vision that we should have. There was no clarity on what is the way forward. And when you don't know where you're going, obviously you start going all over the place and things will start going wrong. Now, having said that, I'm not saying that everything is wrong in the education department. But if the policy had been in place a long time back, I think a lot of the decisions that should not have been taken, a lot of the mistakes that were made, I think could have been avoided. But I'm happy to inform you that realizing the importance of policy and a direction for the education department and for all departments, we have come out with policies in different departments. We've come out with a policy for sports, we've come out with a policy for the startup policies, we've come out with a policy for entrepreneurship, we've got to come out with a youth policy in a very short time, we've come out with an education policy. So like that, policy making is something very important, and that's the primary objective of any legislature. And therefore, we're happy that this policy has come out, and this has allowed us to give a proper direction to education, and I'm sure that in the coming years, we will be able to give a better structure to the education system in our state.
Urge our Honorable Sir, Chief Minister Sri Thymmai, to help us in giving assistance for more posts to the college so that we can cater to the students' needs as well as to better up the community as a whole. In the ground floor and the first floor, acoustics treatment of auditorium. I am also very pleased to express that the college has received 100% completion under RUSA scheme of 1.0. I am happy that the college has performed well and is in the top rank among all RUSA funded colleges. Under donor second phase, the college received 218.65 lakhs for the construction of academic block, boys hostel, extension of library and archives, compound wall, road and pathways, etc. Till date, under this scheme, we have achieved 95% completion, and we are expecting to reach 100% by the end of July 2019.